Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video today to go over the gear that I use for deer hunting. I don't want this to be like a gear channel or a gun channel, but I thought it would be helpful to go over some of the stuff that I use to show you that you really don't need that much stuff or to spend a lot of money to get into the hobby. So starting with the gun, this is a Mossberg 500 12 gauge shotgun. I have the rifled barrel on it right now. I also have a smoothbore barrel for this gun. Um, I use the rifled barrel because that allows me to shoot these sabot slugs, and that is a combination that's very accurate. So it's almost like shooting a rifle, but I have a shotgun. Um, if you were to go out and buy a gun, I don't know that I would necessarily tell you to go and get this exact setup. I personally like doing all my hunting with the same gun and just being able to swap barrels and go from, let's say, bird hunting to deer hunting with this rifled barrel. I like that option, but it's not necessarily the way that you should go. Although if you do want to do that, I think you will be all right. So moving on from that, we have clothing. So I have Flecktarn, just German surplus Flecktarn pants. And I have just some Mossy Oak hoodie I got at Walmart. Camo for deer is really not that important. Deer are colorblind, and you're just really using camo to break up your pattern a little bit. It's not that important in my opinion. Moving on to my pack, also that is a Walmart backpack. It's cheap, it's fine, been using it for years. This is a like foam pad, so I don't have a tree stand, so I sit on the ground, and that makes sitting a lot more comfortable. I would say it's a necessity if you're going to be sitting on the ground. And then just a few other things I have: a headlamp, knife, ear protection. Yeah, I do wear ear protection while I hunt. This is actually electronic ear protection, and there is a little headphone jack. So if you want to like listen to music or podcasts, I know controversial, but if you want to listen to something while you're out there, that is an option. You could run a cable to your phone and listen to whatever you want to listen to while you're out there. Just a bag for my hunting license, some tape. So the tape is for attaching the tag to the deer, and then pen, pencil to fill out the tag, and some spare batteries for the headlamp. I wear Blaze Orange. It's not required where I live or anything. I just think it's smart to wear it. And that's pretty much it. The only things that aren't here that I might recommend is if you're like me, ground hunting. Well, let me rephrase that. Not recommend, things that I use sometimes. So I might sometimes use a pillow and put it in there to make it easier to lean up against the tree, more comfortable. I have in the past brought like latex gloves. When you're new and you get a deer, it might be a little bit jarring to be like in its guts with your hands, so it might make you feel a little bit more comfortable wearing those while you're cutting open a deer. And then maybe an extra pair of socks and some water. Uh, that would be pretty much all I could think of taking. Important to keep in mind, I live in a fairly densely populated area. That's where I hunt also. I'm not going out deep into the wilderness, 10, 15, 20 miles out into the backwoods. If you're doing that, that's, your gear is not this gear. You're taking more stuff. You're taking, life sustainment type stuff with you into the field. But this is what I use. This is not necessarily what you need to use, but I do want you to see that, it doesn't take a lot of money, a lot of stuff to get into deer hunting. So I hope you've gotten something from this video, and thanks for watching.